So, you've successfully built a direct-to-patient program through the Vital platform. Now what? The next step is to, of course, build and grow your audience, provide the best possible customer experience, and drive sales of products for the patients that need them. Depending on your product, your website experience can be a huge component of that. The process of creating a web experience that increases the number of visitors who convert into customers is called conversion rate optimization. In today's video, we'll go over the basics of conversion rate optimization and show you how you can apply them to your direct-to-patient e-commerce brand. The easiest way to think about conversion rate optimization is through the concept of elements. Your website is made up of a ton of elements, ranging from your photos to your text copy to your colors to your calls to action. Each individual page is also an element. Each element can have an impact on CRO, so it's important to create versions of your website with different photos, buttons, etc., so you can see which one works best to convert visitors to paying customers. Here are 5 common elements to try adjusting to see if they can drive more conversions. Images. Adjusting your images is probably the most intuitive idea. Using different product photos can really affect sales. Try using photos with people versus those without. Photos that are more colorful and fun versus those that are cleaner and more professional. The options are endless. Calls to action, or CTAs. Depending on your brand, the kind of language you use in your calls to action can have a notable impact on sales. Try experimenting with learn more, purchase now, or get better health today. Homepage design. Do you have your purchase button near the top of the page or the bottom? Do you have it 1 time, 2 times, or 3 times? The setup of your homepage can be a big contributing factor as well. Try putting a purchase button at the top and at the bottom to see which one people click more often. That will also help you see whether people need a lot of information or just a little before deciding to buy. The checkout process. How many pages does your customer need to navigate before reaching the checkout? And how much information are you asking for on each page? Have you included anything that might damage your trust with your customer, such as not explaining why you need certain personal information? Something as simple as an extra form to fill out can drastically lower your conversion rate. And finally, the authority of your platform. Especially when it comes to direct-to-patient programs, trust is paramount. If your website looks unprofessional, lacks key licenses and credentials such as an SSL certificate or HIPAA compliance, or doesn't include calls to authority such as papers or research, that can be a huge obstacle for you and your brand. Luckily, Vital is built with pharmaceutical companies in mind and has these features built in. Learn more today and work with our Vital team to get personalized ideas on how you can improve your own direct-to-patient website.